It's the second week of May, and you think back around 6 weeks ago, I completely levelled this lawn and put down some of my All-American dark green grass seed mix, and I can't wait to get back on the lawn and start the mowing season again. We've had a really tough April with super low temperatures and no rain, and as we've come into May, the sun's shining, the temperatures are picking up, and this renovation is starting to look a little bit special. So that was actually my third total cut since putting the seed down. I cut the lawn once a couple of weeks after the first lot of seed went down because the grass was really quite long and needed to be cut back. I run the cylinder over it once a couple of weeks ago, but with all the rain that we've been having over the last couple of weeks, I didn't want to put the cylinder back on it yet, so I've cut it with the rotary today, and this is cut at 40 millimeters, and I'm hoping to bring that down over the next couple of cuts, but it just looks absolutely amazing. I don't know whether you can actually see through the camera just how green this looks, but this has had no iron on it, no special treatments, just the top dressing, the seed mix and some pre-seed fertiliser, and it looks absolutely amazing. The only thing I'm going to put on the lawn right now is a bit of seaweed. I just want to give that soil a little bit of biostimulant activity, help whatever remaining seeds are there to still germinate and push through, and also protect any of the new seedlings and give them a bit of strength versus this harsh heat that we're getting and the harsh rain. I might even do another cut in the opposite direction and do a double cut today just because it looks so good. Let's go and take a little look in the lawn because there are a few things that I've been having problems with that I want to show you. So it's worthwhile remembering I'm a homeowner, I'm using my own seed, some top dressing and some pre-seed fertiliser, and just look at the results that I've had since May. Now I've got a few spots like this one and this one here where the seed just still hasn't come through yet. If I look closely I can see some seeds coming through, but I'm going to just give these a quick dress, and with a bit more seed and these spots will fill in no time. You can see some more seed coming through there. So I'm now in the third week of May. I didn't end up putting any more seed down because I wanted to just see if those seeds would come up that I initially put down, and you can start to see now a lot of the patches have really filled in. I've just done a bit of a double cut with the cylinder and I've dropped the height down to around 30 mil, and it's starting to look really, really nice now. I've got a few patches here and a little bit of a patch here just where the deepest spots are, but even there you can still see all that seed is coming through, and in around 2 more weeks this is going to be absolutely mint. So things are starting to really come together now, and I think in a week or two this is going to be absolutely mint. The dark green colours starting to come through, all the patches are starting to fill in, and all the hard work and time and effort that I put in earlier on is starting to really pay off. I've been struggling with weed grasses like everyone else, and I'll just show you. I've got here a little bit of a weed grass graveyard where I've been pulling out all this power by hand. But other than that, yeah, this is looking really nice. So in my next video, I'm going to be filling in some of those patches and putting the seaweed application down, and I'm also starting a renovation project on my front lawn, which will be coming up soon on the channel. Thanks for watching everyone. It's Matt, the Garden Lawn Care guy, and I'll see you in the next video.